Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Dinebe Ismail, and today I will explain about differentiation. First of all, what is differentiation? Differentiation is in mathematics is a process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. So that is the definition of differentiation. Now we will go to the example question. Okay, so for the first question, we can see y equals to c, and c is a constant, and dy dx is 0. So what does this mean? It means when we have only one number, for example, y equals to 4, then dy dx equals to 0. Like this, dy over dx is equals to 0. Because we don't have power to differentiate it, therefore we just cut off the 4. So I'll give you one more example. Y equals to 17. It's the same. dy dx for y equals to 17 is also 0. So that's for the basic of differentiation. Alright. So we go for the first question of differentiation. So here I have y equals to x squared. So how to differentiate this? First of all, we need to see the head. You can see this is y and this is x squared. So we need to write as dy over dx. dy because we have y over here, and x because the inside is x. So dy over dx. If we have y equals to u square, therefore it will become dy over du. Alright. So that's for the first one. Now we go back to the differentiate. We have dy over dx, and how do we integrate the x square is, first of all, x square, we need to play with the power. As we can see, the power here is 2. We need to bring the power to the front. We need to bring the power to the front and subtract the power by 1. Therefore, it will become 2x power of 1. But in mathematics, we didn't need to write the power of 1. Therefore, we don't need to. And the answer will become 2x. So this one is for the basic of differentiation. We go for the next question. Okay, for the next question, is just same with the first question we did it, but this one is a bit longer. Okay, here we go. Same like the question 1. We see y outside, x inside. Therefore, we wrote as dy over dx like this. Alright, and then we differentiate the inside. So how do we differentiate the 5x power of 3? Like I said just now, we play with the power. The 3 here, we bring it to the front. As you can see, we bring it to the front, we have 5. So how do we do it? How do we bring the power of 3 to the 5? We go by 5 times with 3x like this. And the power we subtract by 1. Yes, 3 subtract by 1. So this is for the first one. Next, 4x squared. Same like number the first one. 2, we bring it to the front. So 4 times 2x, 2 minus 1. Same thing. And for number 3, I will write number 3 down here. 3. As you can see, 3 here, there's no power. But there's actually 3x power of 1. Like I said just now, 1, bring it to the front. So 3 times 1, power of x, 1 minus 1. Something like that. And for the last one is plus 5. We can see here, 5, there's no power, there's no x. There's no x. So basically 5, we just cut it off. Therefore there's no 5. Alright, we write back all together. 5 times 3 is 15. x, 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 4 times 2 is 8, x, 2 minus 1 is 1, so therefore we just wrote as x, plus 3 times 1 is 3, x, 1 minus 1 is 0, so therefore x power of 0, nothing lah, therefore the answer is just only 3. So dy dx equals to 15x squared plus x plus 3.